Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss about Vijaya Diagnostic Center Limited IPO. The company established in 1981 in Hyderabad. Vijaya Diagnostic Center is one of the fastest growing diagnostic chain in southern India. The company offers one-stop solution for pathology and radiology test services. The company offers around 740 routine tests, 870 specialized pathology tests, 220 basic tests and 320 advanced radiology tests. The company also offers a broad spectrum of customized health and wellness packages to its customers. Company's operational network consists of 80 diagnostic centers and 11 reference laboratories spread across 13 cities and towns in the state of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. 96.2% of the revenue comes from Hyderabad, the rest of Telangana and the Andhra Pradesh region. As of March 31st, 2021, all Vijaya Diagnostic Center laboratories hold National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories (NABL) accreditations, and 3 diagnostic centers hold Patient Safety and Quality of Care (NABH) accreditations. Objects of the issue are to achieve the benefits of share listing on the stock exchanges and to make an offer for sale of 3,56,88,064 shares. The major competitive strengths of the company are: it is the largest and fastest growing diagnostic chain in southern India, affordable one-stop solution diagnostic services provider with focus on superior quality, strong technical capabilities, cutting-edge diagnostic testing technology and robust IT infrastructure. All laboratories hold national accreditation, high brand recalls driving high individual consumer business. In the screen you can see the timetable of the Vijaya Diagnostic IPO. The IPO is opening on September 1st, 2021. The IPO will close on September 3rd. Basis of allotment date is September 8th. Initiation of refund is September 9th. Credit of shares to the demat account is on September 13th. And the IPO listing date is September 14, 2021. The company is coming with an issue size of 1895.04 crores, and this issue size is completely offer for sales and there is no fresh issue in this IPO. Face value is rupees 1 per equity share and the price band is rupees 522 to rupees 531 per equity share. And there is a discount for the employees of Vijaya Diagnostic and it is fixed as 52 rupees per share. Market lot is 28 shares. The minimum application amount is, that is, for purchasing one lot, that is 28 share, is 14,868 rupees. Maximum retail subscription is 13 lots, that is 364 shares, and the maximum application amount is 1,93,284. When we go through the financial summary of the Vijaya Diagnostic Center, it can be seen that the company is progressing very good in the financial aspects. You can see the financial summary of financial year 2019, 2020 and 2021. The company is consistently increasing its net income. You can see the revenue, expense and net income on the screen. You can see the net income is gradually and steadily growing. On 2019, the net income was 45.7 crores. On 2021, it increased to 84.3 crores. So there is a healthy financial performance is coming from this company. In the screen, you can see the valuation of Vijaya Diagnostics as of financial year 2020. The earnings per share EPS is rupees 8.26. Price to earning ratio is 63.20 to 64.29. Return on net worth is 23.64%. And the net asset value NAV is 35.23 per share. Dr. S. Surendranath Reddy is the promoter of the company. Regarding the IPO promoter holding, pre-issue shareholding is 59.78% and the post-issue shareholding will be 54.78%. Lead managers of the Vijaya Diagnostic IPO are Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, ICICI Securities Limited and Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. K Fintech Private Limited is the registrar of Vijaya Diagnostic IPO. So these are the outline details of the Vijaya Diagnostics IPO. We didn't go to any deep analysis. So if you are planning to invest in this IPO, please do a deep analysis before you decide to invest money in this IPO. I hope this video will give you a small idea about this IPO. If you like this video, if you think this video was informative, Please subscribe the channel. Please like the video. Please share this video to your friends, those who are in the stock market. Thank you.